Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to set your Cash App to receive payout from Spotify or other streaming platform. This is a great way to get your royalties or earnings sent directly to your Cash App balance. Let's get started. First, open your Cash App. From the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select the link banks. Tap link banks and choose the direct deposit. Here you will see your unique Cash App routing number and account number. This is the information you will need for Spotify for your streaming service. Next, log into your Spotify for artist account or your streaming platform's payout setting. Go to payout setting or payment information. Select direct deposit as your payment method. Enter your Cash App routing number, account number, and select checking as the account type. Save your settings. Once your next royalty payment is processed, the funds will be sent directly to your Cash App balance. Your Spotify of streaming payouts will now come straight to Cash App, making it quick and easy to access your earning. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.